Channel. My name is Sarah.
And I'm Josh. And today we are going to be unboxing this Megaminx cube.
And happy 4th of July.
And happy 4th of July. And as you can see, I have my Rubik's Cube over there. So this is a Megaminx cube. This is the regular 3x3 cube. And on the side, it looks like it says difficulty level 4 stars. So we don't know how difficult it's gonna be, but let's try it.
I can't solve this.
Okay, let's open it.
No tape.
And here is the cube.
Oh, I want this.
Oh, there's a lot of colors.
Oh yeah. Wait, pink!
Yes, there's pink.
Oh, this is
A lot
hard.
of colors here.
Oh, I'm not gonna. Purple! Oh, it's very pretty. It doesn't make that much sound.
It's actually really quiet.
Yeah, but this one.
And if you compare, this is the Megaminx cube.
Should I mix it up for you guys?
Well, okay.
I don't even know how to. It's so hard. Because I don't even know about the strategies of this. And I give it a 0. Because hard to control when you try to mix it up. Very hard. Okay, and that's all I could do. And my hands are very, very tired of carrying the heavy thing. Oh, that's hard. Is this even for kids that are 7 years old?
Well, as you can see here, we have instructions on how to solve it.
It's not working.
And there are a lot. The box is trying to get away. So, I guess I can try to solve it, but it might take me a while. So guys, I think this is a really good surprise because I can actually have a lot of fun with it.
Guys, I'm not solving it. I'm trying to
not
mix
really a
it.
cube. The Megaminx. So guys, are you able to solve it?
And do you think Daddy could solve it? And this one, let's do practice on Daddy with.
So guys, I think this is gonna be a really fun cube, but I recommend trying the 3x3 first.
Nope. No, you already did a lot of
this. This is a lot of pieces.
It's time to do this one. Yeah.
Okay, so guys, if you like this video, please click the like and subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Leave any comments if your friend has these, and if you have this, and make sure you solve it very correct, because I can't even mix it up.